Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create advanced automations with Shortcuts app on the iPad Air 2026. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Shortcuts app. Now, if you want to create a new shortcut, you click on the plus icon right here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go, and if our battery is critically low, then it will send a message to somebody telling them that our battery is low. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go right here to the device. We're going to get the battery status, and now we're going to go to scripting and select if. So if battery state is, let's say, at 5%, then what we're going to do is we're going to send a message, and we're going to send battery state to, let's say, someone from my contacts, like here. Now, as you guys can see, it'll send the battery state to someone. And what we can also do is we can add here, and we can send, let's say we're gonna clear the variable and say my battery is low to the same recipient. So let me quickly put it right here, and we got it. Now we can run this, and if our battery state is at 5%, so my percentage right here, it will send a message. What else can we do is we can go over, and now we need to find it. It might be a bit hidden because there are a lot of stuff here, but we're gonna go and go to controls and also add turn low power mode on if we haven't turned it on already. Now what else can we do is we can go over and end if, and let's go over to device, and if get battery status. Now let's add another if, and let's go over and put 20. Now we can go and we can set low power mode right here. We're gonna put it off, and of course we're gonna send a message that my battery is not dead anymore. So now we got this. Let's go over and hide the keyboard. We're gonna add this to also hard reset, and now we got a simple script. You guys can create something better, like something whenever you connect to your AirPods, for an example, then you change the focus so you can get current focus, and then set the current focus to, let's say, do not disturb or anything else. But this is a quick script if you wanna check your battery level and then send a message to somebody. Of course, you can also go and make sure that you add it to home screen, for an example, so you can only like click it, and we got it right here. Then after we click it, then we get everything. So that's how you guys can create some advanced automations. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.